Hello and welcome to another Sayduck platform tutorial video, this time on configurators. So in this video we'll be showcasing how to build a configurator in the Sayduck platform and going through all the features related. So let's begin. To begin, I can just upload my 3D assets to the scene, and while they're uploading, let me talk a little bit about the configurator structure. So configurator in the Sayduck platform works the same way as any other product, except that you will be working with multiple 3D scenes at the same time. These 3D scenes are separated into their own configurations, or like these containers, and each of these containers have their own variants, meaning that they have their own 3D scene. As you can see, my first 3D scene has all these nodes, and the other one does not. So when starting any configurator, you should first start with the configurator structure. So in my case, I will need 4 configurations. One, we will need name base. And in this one, we will add all the nodes that will not change or are used in all of my different configurations. So in my case, this means removing the seat and the legs and the cushion. And we'll be left with the stoppers, which I will change the material to plain white, which I want. And another thing that is good to add to the base is a shadow plane, because that is also used in all of your different variants, or it's always in the 3D scene. So I can just upload it here and upload that here as well. All right, now that everything is uploaded, let's move to our different configurators. So this one I will name seat, and to its variant I will add the seat node. The same thing I will be doing to my other parts. So this is legs. I'll create a variant, and this is the legs. On a configurator, you always have to select the scene that you want to edit or to assign nodes and materials. And the last one, we add a cushion. Perfect. Now we have all the structure completed. So next is to create materials. So let's create material for the white seat. We can also change this picker. It's also now it's good to have this configuration open so you can switch between variants while you're editing them. So let's take our seat node material. Let's change a bit this one, add the texture that we have on it, and the shadows. I already know that this normal map requires me to add like 10 tiling for it to look good. And that's it for our first material. Next, we can just duplicate this one, rename it to red, choose a red color, and then add a new variant. Name this red, and then we can assign our red material here. Perfect. Now we have on our seat those things. Next, legs. So treated oak. So here we have this one, and then we'll edit the legs. So treated oak, and here I will be using a texture. Again, let's add a bit of roughness. I don't have a normal map for this. And then occlusion map for the shadows. The tiling on the legs is correct, so I don't have to make any changes. Next, let's do the other wood material. And on it, I have a separate mesh here, or fabric. Texture. Okay, and that should be black. And no, we haven't created the variant. There we go. Select that one. Perfect. Black, stained, oak. Cool names. Awesome. That's it for our textures on that. And next, finally, we have a cushion. On cushion, as I want an option to remove it, there are 2 ways to do that. So let's do this. First of fabric, gray, fabric, take the cushion, add the gray fabric. I need a bit of tiling here. 10. Maybe that's a bit too much. Perfect. Now I have those done. And as I said, for the cushion, I wanted to have it not enabled, or you can opt in to it. So two ways: you can either check here optional, or alternatively, you can just create a new variant, make it no, and then just remove the node from here. So then you have an option to either add the cushion or not. And this position, if you want, you can also adjust by changing the display position. Yeah, that is basic for the configurator and how to build it. If you want to learn more and like other features related to it, you can check our other videos on configurators. Thank you for watching.